This video is a 1-year update on the snapping turtle baby, but now it is pretty large. Here's actually the tank I built for him. Birch. Turned out quite nice. Let's see here. We can see him in here. There he is. A couple weeks over 1 year. There he is, right there. Same little filter right now. I do a lot of water changes, so it stays good. Stays clean. We got his little friend, the guppy, in there. Some minnows. The minnows don't last long, but oh, there he is. There he is. Just 1 year old. He's growing tremendously. Get the video. Little guppies. Let's see if we can get a good. If he wants to come out and see. Where is he? He's back there. See if he comes towards the glass. Here he comes. There he is. Hey, Spike Jr. There he is. Yep. 1 year old only. There's a good shot of him. When we got him, he was just a newborn. He still has a little egg sac on his plastron. Now he is gigantic. So, anyway, that's the update.